Welcome back to the channel. We're back with the Ace, old Floyd. Parts are in, we're ready to put it back together. So let's get to it. Big old box of parts. Let's see what we have. An unbent A-arm. Upper and lower tie rod ends. No, upper and lower ball joints, sorry. And a new bolt for the tie rod end. Maybe I'm crazy, but I like to think that I'm not. Every single ball joint I've ever ordered for a machine has come with a new snap ring, and these ones did not. And I don't have any just sitting around, so I guess I'm running down to the store to get some snap rings. It didn't even occur to me that they wouldn't come with snap rings. And I wouldn't have taken the old one off like a Neanderthal if I had suspected it wasn't going to come with new snap rings. So, hopefully I can go find some. Got the ball joints out of the hub. That's ready to go back on. I've never seen ball joints break like this from impact. It's pretty crazy. Nuts all look good. Bolts look good. My phone's ringing with a spam call. There you go. Alright. I think it's time to start mounting things to the machine. I'm trying to get the bushings out of here, but I'm starting to feel like they might not be reusable. So, yeah. That's a bummer. Didn't even think about bushings when I ordered this new A-arm. But now I see how they work. There's a little ridge in there. I've been trying to press them out, and there's a ridge. So of course they're not going to press out. I should have hammered them out. Oh. Well, I am going to go look at how much bushings are. Hopefully they aren't too much. And hopefully I can get them for just one A-arm. Normally I have to buy a whole set. Who knows. But I did get the right snap rings. So I got the ball joints all in. The upper arm is in and ready, and I got that ball joint in. Tie rod, I took the outer tie rod off because the bolt was bent through it. So the tie rod itself was okay, but the bolt was bent. So I had to cut the bolt in half. Here's one half of it. It's fighting me every step of the way. But I think I'll be okay with the other tie rod. And just like the sway bar, it's missing a little bit of rubber, so I'm just going to silicone it for now. And eventually I'll have to do a sway bar link job, so I'll check in with you tomorrow. Bushing day! They're in! Everything I need for the Ace. I may have moved it to the other bay. So I'm gonna go get this A-arm put together. and stick it in there. Got that all loaded. One thing to keep in mind, these are tapered on one side. See how they're flat? This side has a taper. The taper's going to face out. So whether it's there or facing out that direction, the taper goes out. So that's all loaded. Looks good. Let's go get it put in the machine. I lied. It's not loaded. I forgot the sleeves. So let's pop one of these out. Slide that in. Not too bad. Taper out. Laces out, Finkel. All right, there we go. Let's get her in the machine. Suspension is together. Oh yeah. Everything went right in, nice and straight, didn't have to force anything, so I think we got lucky and it wasn't too damaged overall. I feel good about it. I gotta put the side back together, which will be a puzzle because there's pieces back in there and there, and I don't remember how it goes. And there's a lot of push pins. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what happens. It's together! Yay! The hardest part was the aftermarket bumper. It's got carriage bolts in there and the threads are jacked up. That might be the last time for those bolts. I'll have to pull them out, put new ones in there. It's the aftermarket stuff, it's a pain. But everything's in, suspension's in, tires in. It's always an optical illusion standing here and looking at the tires, but it looks like that one might be towed out a little bit. So I'm gonna center the wheel, get that one straight, back and forth with weight on it, and then see if I can get that centered. I'm pretty sure that one's gonna be good. I hope that one's good because I'm just gonna go off of that one. I'm not gonna change it. I'll just do the adjustments on this side since that's the side that got tore out. And as I'm sitting here telling you, I just realized that there's a little plate right there and it's missing there. So it's on the old A-arm somewhere. I'll go find that and put it on too. Alright, that's going to do it. We've got it all back together. The alignment was perfect. We've taken it on many test drives and it's holding together. So fully fixed. And you saw the total price. Really wasn't that bad. Hey, if you feel like I earned it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. All you gotta do is click the little blue button. See, I made it easy for you. Just click. It's easy. In the meantime, thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.